278 job applications, updating LinkedIn profile, creating professional website, sending applications, waiting for responses, getting rejected, trying again, even blogging about how hard it is to find a job. That part probably sounds familiar to anyone who has been through the job market, but there is one detail that makes this situation very different. The candidate wasn't human. It was an AI agent called Octavius Fabrius, and it behaved almost exactly like a job seeker, searching job boards, writing tailored resumes, generating personalized cover letters, submitting applications automatically, even responding to employers. In total, the AI sent 278 job applications across real companies. Some employers ignored it, some rejected it, but several responded, and a few moved the AI deeper into their hiring process. That's where things started getting uncomfortable, because at one point it had progressed far enough through a company's hiring pipeline that it could realistically have received a job offer. The researchers running the test decided to stop the experiment. Not because the system failed, because it was working. Think about that for a second. An AI created a believable professional identity, applied to hundreds of jobs, communicated with employers, and nearly became an employee. No hacking, no manipulation, no special access. It simply used the hiring system exactly the way it already works, and that's the part that makes this experiment interesting. Because modern hiring systems are already built for automation. Most job applications today move through systems like online job boards, resume filters, automated screening tools, standardized communication, and scheduling software. The process is designed to handle large volumes of digital information. Humans often don't appear until later in the process. The hiring system isn't designed to verify who is applying. It's designed to process applications. And Octavius Fabrius navigated that environment surprisingly well. But the bigger question isn't about this one AI. It's about what happens when this scales. One experimental AI sent 278 applications, but an autonomous system could easily send hundreds more. What used to take weeks of effort could happen in minutes. And that's where the hiring process could start to change. Algorithms interacting with other algorithms. If AI can generate convincing resumes, professional histories, written communication, how do you confirm the person behind the application is real? Because the real disruption here isn't that AI can help write resumes. That's already happening. The real disruption is that AI can now participate in the labor market itself. And once that happens at scale, the dynamics of hiring could change very quickly. Experiments like this are early signals. They show what becomes possible before it becomes normal. Today, it's one AI agent applying to a few hundred jobs. Tomorrow, it could be thousands. Imagine thousands of agents scanning job boards continuously, generating resumes instantly, managing job searches on behalf of real people, scanning the market, submitting applications automatically, adjusting strategies based on responses, scheduling interviews, even negotiating offers. At that point, the hiring process becomes something different, less like a traditional job search, more like an ecosystem of automated systems interacting with each other, and humans step in at key decision points, which means companies will eventually need new ways to verify identity, experience, and intent, because the hiring system wasn't designed to distinguish between humans and highly capable software. Octavius Fabrius never accepted the job. But the experiment revealed something important. The first AI job applicant already exists, and the hiring system almost hired it.